it. Horrible stench! Where are you? Maybe it's this cottage cheese. Yeah, smells like that cheese died in that cottage.
What you doing, my pocket-sized amigo?
Some horrible smell woke me up this morning, and I'm trying to figure out where it's coming from.
A horrible smell, you say? Is this the reek you seek?
Ugh! You smell like if a foot on Brussels sprouts had a baby who pooped its diaper.
And how? You see, Chum Chum, modern man has forgotten what the caveman once knew. Stink. Good. Ah! What are you doing?
I'm trying to hose off the stench.
Water no touchy. No washy. Water bad. I'm shooting for the world record. Longest time without taking a bath. Okay?
Okay. Then if it's all right with you, I'm gonna keep my face in this. Oh yeah, that's better.
What is it with these gulls?
Well, you smell like a dead crab.
With a hint of butt.
Hey, what's that on your hand?
Ew, I'm growing mushrooms. I am disgusting. Woo!
I gotta take this off. It's no use. I can smell you through my ears.
Okay, smell you later.
Not if I smell you first.
Time for some liverwurst. It's got a real bite. It tastes worse than it smells. Huh?
Hey, Pally, you want to break me off a piece of that? Chloe's got to eat too over here. Come on.
Whoa! Suit! You're alive! But how?
You know that old saying? You don't wash that suit, it's going to walk around by itself. That's me. Call me Stinks.
Wow! Nice to meet you, Stinks.
Old Stinks here's a little hungry, you know what I'm saying? You think that kid over there will share his sandwich with us?
I don't know. Chris Chuggy always cleans his plate. Rumor has it sometimes he even eats his plate.
You can convince that kid of anything. You got Chum coming out the strazool.
Oh, I have to say, Stinks, you are one flattering suit. Hey, Chris. My suit and I were wondering if you'd share...
Oh, don't want to share, huh? How do you like that?
Wow!
What'd I tell you, pal? Now let old Stinks here have a taste.
Hey, they have pudding. I wonder if they'd like to share, too.
Let's find out.
Hey, guys. Have you met Stinks? Hello, ladies.
Give me an ew. 2, 4, 6, 8. I think I might regurgitate. Let's go away.
Wow, Stinks. This is incredible. It's like people see us in a whole new way. Maybe because their eyes are watering.
Hey, we're just getting started. To the good life.
Ew, it's curdled.
Yeah, you get used to it.
Homework, please. Homework, please. Turn in your papers.
Oh, no! I forgot my paper.
Don't worry about it. I'll take care of it.
Papers.
You don't need to see our papers.
I don't need to see your papers.
You think you'll go grab 40 winks in the teacher's lounge.
I think I'll go grab 40 winks in the teacher's lounge.
Wearing this pretty hat.
Wearing this pretty hat.
Yeah. So what was that? Some sort of stink-eye mind trick?
Yeah, something like that. I call it, forget about it.
The charity bake sales tonight. I better get started on my pecan log. Chum Chum, maybe this year you shouldn't make your pecan log. We still haven't been able to get rid of last year's.
The force is strong with this pecan log.
Oh, you're right. We need a fresh pecan log. I'm on it. Oh, so disgusting.
Hey, Chum! You'll never believe what happened to my suit!
No time to smell, pecan log.
Chum doesn't know what he's missing, Stinks. I'm having the time of my life, and I'm learning so much.
Yeah, you done good, kid. Now it's time we cook up a big job.
A bank job?
No, a bake job. You see this bake sale? We're gonna rob it. We'll be up to our wrists in pastries.
Rob? Question. Isn't that like stealing? And then a follow-up question. Isn't stealing wrong?
You're funny, Flatsy. You amuse me. Like a clown.
Yeah, you know it might be funnier than robbing the bake sale if we just forget about it.
You turning squirrely on me?
Me? Squirrely? Don't be silly.
Why, you... You gonna come along with me on these things I have to do or what?
Sure thing, Stinks. I'm your right-hand man.
Okay, listen up. Since you never done a bake job, I'll keep it simple. First, we blanket the area in stink, clearing out any potential witnesses. Then, we empty out the cupcake table. Then, we move over to assorted breads and puffs. And on our way out, we hit the big ticket item. Hello, pecan log. You think you can handle that?
Well, actually...
Good. I gotta hit the little hands room before the job.
Whew!
Ah! Oh, I work alone here.
Yeah! Chum, I'm so glad you're here. My suit came to life and it's making me rob the bake sale. I need your help.
Good news! I put plugs in my nose and my ears so I can't smell you. Isn't that great?
Chum! You don't understand! We gotta stop the suit!
Stinks never figured you for a rat, kid.
Me? A rat? Don't be silly.
Yeah, why you? Let me clear out your ears so you hear this real good.
Hey, that's not comfortable.
Now you listen here, Flatsy. I call the shots, and anybody don't like it gets whacked.
Whacked?
I'm a hand. I whack things. Now don't make me whack you again.
Okay.
That's a good boy. Now let's go. Ah!
Why didn't I wash my suit? Then Stinks wouldn't have come to life. Oh, my throat is dry. Oh, a drinking fountain. Oh, wait. That's the crazy fountain that sprays me. Who? Ah! You? That's it. That water fountain's so crazy, it just might work.
Oh! Snap out of it. It's almost showtime.
I'll show you. You're all washed up, Stinks. What? Where's the crazy spray?
I think you'll find the water fountain is fully operational.
But...
You're welcome.
So, you was trying to get me to go clean, huh? Of all the dirty tricks.
Ah!
Well, nobody tries to rinse Stinks out. We're robbing this joint whether you like it or not.
You're getting that pecan log over my smelly body, Stinks.
I got my pecan log. It's really dense this year. I ran out of sand, so I used gravel instead. Great, Chum. Why don't you put it over there?
Give it up. Oh no! My beautiful dirt! It's getting rubbed out!
Forgive me, Stinks. I didn't want it to end this way. It's just, I wanted to smell bad, not to be bad.
Hey, kid.
never forget you, Stinks. Well, I'm glad that's over.
Hey, your stink's gone. I guess that means no world record.
That's okay, Chum Chum. I have a backup. Most days without brushing my teeth. Come on, buddy. I'll take you home.